Hey there, my name is Giselle Marie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this voluminous wash and go using Revlon Realistics Black Seed Oil Collection. First up, you're going to take the strengthening shampoo with its amazing rich lather and its great consistency to wash your hair of any dirt and impurities. Next up, you're going to take the strengthening conditioner, which is very thick and creamy. It may take you a few tries to get it out of the pump, but once you have it on your hand, you're going to massage it all into your hair shaft, giving you a very, very nice slip to make detangling a breeze. Next, you're going to take the Butter Creme Leave-In Conditioner, which is very thick and moisturizing, and you're going to massage that all into your hair, giving you a very nice and moisturized base. For styling, you're going to take the curling Custard, and you want to be careful with this because it is very liquidy, but it does give you really good slip between your fingers, defining your curls as you go and also locking in the moisture that you just applied. And here's the finished wet result, nice and voluminous and also moisturized. And for an added sleekness to the look, you're going to take the long-lasting edge control and really work your finger in there to get the product. Apply it all over your edges wherever you see fit, and you're going to brush and lay them down. You can do this either by itself or use a scarf. The edge control holds really, really well. And lastly, we are going to diffuse our hair to get it 100% dry. And here we have our finished result, nice, voluminous, and moisturized with our edges laid, honey. Thank you so much, Revlon Realistic, for partnering with me to make this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video.